It appears that Noble Team's discovery last night was not an anomaly. Large Covenant deployments have occurred undetected, and we are now under attack across the Vieri territory, including orbital defenses. As per the winter contingency, we are countering on every front. Noble's reconnaissance has also identified sophisticated Covenant army hiding canopies, and has pinpointed what's believed to be a landing zone for additional Covenant forces, the origin of which is yet to be determined.
That landing zone has been tagged by UNSC Command as a Priority 1 target. That charge link is loud and clear.
Copy that. Acquiring signal lock on the pylon. Detonating in 3, 2...
Incoming!
Might want to hold on to something. Six! Can you hear me? Six, you alright? I could use some help.
On my way.
Be advised, Oni has ID'd 2 hostile anti-aircraft guns southwest of your location.
Copy, Commander. New target, 6. Go shut down those AA guns. Commandeer that Warthog, 6.
She's ready to go. Hey, look who's here! Spartans!
Get in or get walking. Excuse me.
Six, AA gun should be in visual range.
2 Lima Ford and Noble's 1. Those guns are pounding us with high-velocity plasma shells.
Which would mean a strike by the frigate Grafton is also out of the question.
Noble 6, all our birds are stuck out of range unless you can do something about those guns.
Permission to commence bombing run. Heading 224.6, over.
You are wrecked.
6. AA gun should be in visual range.
2 Lima 4 to Noble 1. Those guns are pounding us with high-velocity plasma shells.
It would mean the strike by the frigate's platform is also out of the question.
Noble 6, all our birds are stuck out of range unless you can do something about those guns.
More with that,
Control 2 Lima 4. Permission to commence bombing run. Heading 224.6, over.
Good work, Noble 6. UNSC air support. Skies are clear.
Copy 2 Lima 4, bombing run, heading 224.6, mission granted, out.
Bridge in position 6. Keep moving toward those fires. Take that south road and see if we can get a better look at those fires. I'll be on phone.
Number 6, move across the bridge. Head for the Covenant's fire.
I'm waiting on you intel. See what you can see. Carter out. Noble 6, there's a mining facility near your location. Covenant are using it as a command outpost. Troopers on site have already engaged.
New intelligence. Friendly forces near the Covenant outpost have sighted a high-value target. An elite zealot, in fact.
A zealot? We're onto something big, Commander.
Eyes on the prize, Noble. Take out that zealot if you get the chance, but keep moving toward the spires.
I got this one! Toss.
Mining facility secured, 6. Move on at your discretion.
Update 6. Scans show another Covenant AA gun ahead of your location. I want you to neutralize that gun by any means necessary. Well done, 6. Only needs up-close recon on those spires. We're gonna fly you the rest of the way.
George has a Falcon inbound your position, Lieutenant. Highlighting the LZ now.
Need a lift, Spartan? Spotted some nasty business in the canyon on the way down.
I'll call out targets as we go. Top of the canyon, dead ahead.
Stay sharp, 6. We're not under the canyon yet.
There's the spire.
Solid copy. Dot?
Latest intel suggests these spires may be projecting electromagnetic cloaking shields.
Priority 1, pilot. Gotta know what's in there.
Affirmative, sir. Here we go.
We just lost all power. We're going down.
Lock your armor, Spartan!
Brace for a hard landing.
Crew's dead, we shouldn't stay here. I'm showing hostiles all over the place. We gotta move. Commander, we've got eyes on the spire. Looks like a staging area.
Copy. We have your visual. Dot's working the problem. Stand by.
Taking enemy fire!
Noble 5 only believes those spires to be teleportation terminals.
Frigate Grafton is on station ready to kill that spire. But first, we need to power down its shields.
Take your rounds. I'm under fire! Six is on his way out.
Get in there. Take out that shield, Lieutenant. Spartans, I'm en route with a Falcon. We'll pick you up as soon as you knock out power to that shield.
Ready when you are, Six.
Hurry, Lieutenant. We got a frigate inbound to blow that spire as soon as the shield is powered down. Noble 6, we need to kill that shield and clear the area. Now.
Laying down heavy fire. You are
Lieutenant, drop the shield and get out of there.
I'm under fire!
Get us out of here. Control, this is Noble 1. Spire 1 is green and you're free to engage. Have a nice day.
Copy that, Noble 1. Be advised, all ground units. Frigate 318 Heavy is inbound, and MAC rounds have been authorized.
Mac rounds? In atmosphere?
One way to get their attention. Hang on to your teeth, people.
New contact. High tonnage.
No, somebody tell me this ain't happening.
UNSC Frigate Grafton, do you copy?
Grafton is dust. We need to get out of here now.
Make sure to like and subscribe for more.